Suffering from sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes? It might be a pollen allergy. Here's how to treat it. 1. Avoid exposure. Stay indoors on high pollen days. Wear sunglasses and masks outside. 2. Clean it off. Shower after coming home. Change clothes to remove pollen. 3. Use medication, antihistamines, like cetirizine. Nasal sprays or allergy shots if needed. 4. Home hacks. Keep windows closed. Use air purifiers. Talk to a doctor if symptoms get worse. Subscribe for more quick health tips.